Okuphilisa Ngolelana Khumbule ekhaya Khumbule ekhaya Khumbule ekhaya. After climbing one great hill, one finds many more hills to climb. Siqaphula lamazwi kaMadiba ngethuba ke sikunika esisiqendu senkqubo yethu apha kwi-Nelson Mandela Foundation eGoli. Lamazwi asikhumbuza ukuba ingxaki azipheli ebomini. Kuyo yonke ingxaki kunye neengxaki ozisombululayo kukho neminye imingeni ojongene nayo. Yangabo sidibana nabo ke ngokuhlwanje bangakhumbula nje loo nto leyo. Ukuba ke kuzo zonke iindawo ezinyukayo abathe badlula kuzo bekhangela iintsapho zabo nokuba sele bezifumene kusekho eminye imingeni abayakuhlangana nayo. Masibulise bethu nana sikwamkele apha kuKhumbule ekhaya. Mna ndinguSamora Magesi kwaye njengesithethi sosapho emcimbini asizuba mde xa sikuphathela amagqabantshintshi inkqubo yethu yanamhlanje.
I'm 31 years old now, do you know?
I try to make up for it.
How?
What can I do to make it up?
I don't think anything can make up the lost time. Can replace it as well.
So ngathi mina kubo igama engilikhipile ngathi njoba niyiqalile lento ngicela niyiqedela makukhonakala nithatha ichopper nimchophe nimuhle
nami ngangisemncane ngangena say
nithembe umuntu orongo mama ngisafuna neleli thuna lela ngilaza.
Kwibali lethu sivula ngalo namhlanje mbukeli sindwendwela eNamaqualand eMntla Koloni apho sidibana noJacques van der Heever okhathazeke kakhulu ngentombi yakhe oneminyaka engama-20 engasayiboni.
My naam is Fritz Jacques van der Heever. Ik ben in Sundown, ook in Sundown. De hoofddorp is Springbok. Dat was een paar jaar geleden geweest. Ik had graag bij dochter ontmoet. En ik kan zeggen, maar was haar maas een verhouding geweest. Die meisje waar ik gaan, zijn naam was Charity Gadebe. En het was die dochter, is die naam genoemd, Sharon Jacqueline. Die vader was wel niet, dat was zo getrouwd, maar ik ben problemen gehad. Toen ik uitgetrokken is, hij daar verder gaan werken in Durban, in die blaf, Pinetown. Zij was een retailwerker geweest. Dus ik had een arm gehad geweest. Toen Charity, zij is pregnant. Toen ik samen met haar was er gewild dokter toe gaan en teruggekomen en zo aan. En ik had blij gevoel. Maar ik had een meisje. Daar onder een oude poort was er dan een Indian auntie geweest. Op die kinderen opgepast had. En je lossen daar zo. Daarna maar als ik uitval in de werk kom, dan gaan haal ik haar weer. Breng haar weer terug. Dus zoals u weet, Durban is vol hills en valleys. Dat is opdracht, daar onderop en ik opstap naar op mijn rug. En toen ze nog groter op gaan raken, hier op mijn nek zit. En dan stappen ze op de kop, dan is ze lekker opstap. Bij de huis kom, als er een lekker koe maakt waar iets mee eet en watertjes en zo. Zijn ze aan neppie. Ze laten zei daddy en zo. Dan voel ik mijn hart zo. En dat is lekker. Ik is een pa van de kant. En dat heeft me blij gemaakt. Maar wat gebeurde daar, was dat die lekker communiceren met elkaar in die latere jaren. En toen ik achterna, besluit ik maar toen we terug huis toe in Namaqualand ook diep. En toen ik nooit weer teruggegaan naar Durban toe niet. En dus toen ik een boel elkaar gevraagd heb, om mij te helpen om mijn dochter op te sporen. Als ik op pad is naar haar toe, ik mijzelf bewust maak, dat is elkaar nog nooit. Zij was jong geweest toen ik weg is. Al wat ik nog graag wil heen. Dat ze mij aanvaardt als haar vader. En haar liefde daar is, mijn bloed is in haar bloed. Dat is bloed. Als zij die van mij houdt niet, is het probleem niet. Maar ik zal mijn beste proberen om thuis te ontwikkelen, liefde te ontwikkelen tussen ons twee. Mijn beste proberen. Maar zij is mijn kind. En ik is haar vader. Dus ik zal mijn best proberen. Laat ons connect met elkaar. Dat is verlangen in mij om mijn dochter te zien als ze bij een restaurant of waar ook al. Waar ze kan zitten en gezels. Dat is wat ik graag wil leren. Dat ik wil graag vragen. Maar ja, doen van die begin van de tijd af. Ik ben toen beginnen groot raken, verstand krijgen. Maar het hele kop gaan. Maar ik graag voor haar eerst ontmoet. Voor mijn zin ook ontmoet achterna. Dat is mijn hartvrede.
Uhambo lwethu noJacques lokufumana intombi yakhe aneminyaka engaphayana kwama-20 egqibela ukuyibona luzawuba lude kakhulu njengoba luzasithatha iiyure ezili-12 ukusuka eNamakholand eMntla Koloni ukuya eMidrand eGauteng.
Ik is op pad dochter gaan zoeken. En ik voel, moet mijn kinderen gaan opzoeken. Mijn kinderen gaan krijgen in de handen. En ik zal blijven als ik haar niet in de handen kan krijgen. Ik zal best proberen om haar te overtuigen. Indien ze niet meer wat ze niet, dan zal ik maar net voor haar een foto vragen. En dan maar, ik kan niet samen daar dan als communiceren. Ik bedoel, samen daar strijden. Maar ik wil graag wel lezen met mijn vaartzoekers. En ik zal wel tijdelijk hoe komt de historie geweest de voorheen. Zoals ze mij aanvaarden, is het goed wees. Maar als ze niet aanvaarden, zal ze bij dan ook. Maar ik zal blij wezen als ze mij aanvaarden. Alright, yourself?
Please come this way.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
Please, can you put that thing off, please, sir? Please, I'm begging you. Unless I'm not going to take this.
Sorry? Is my chair on the plate?
Please come this side. Sir, please, I am begging you. Can you put this thing off? Then I'm not going to open the door. You can go.
Maar dat is geen team dan.
Babunane, how are you, sir?
Alright, yourself?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Sorry, brother. I asked these people, this Kumbulonka, I asked them to help me. I was good enough.
No, we can.
When we came here.
No, we don't. This, I won't accept this.
But see, they helped me. They helped me to search my car. And that's why it's in my heart. I'm telling you, I'm asking you, please.
Sir, they would have told us that there would be cameras and all that. I mean, then we'll prepare for it.
Okay,
We're not prepared for this. It's like a movie.
Yeah, I do understand, but I want to see myself afterwards in the long run.
All right, God bless.
Thank you so much. I left that time I left every mom. Because we had some problems with it.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, I went to my grandma died in Okiep, Springbok. Died. So I attended the funeral. Then my mom told me afterwards, you don't have to go back. So I must go back to Durban because I got a child there.
Mm-hmm.
And so I went back to Durban. But I only met that guy who was the landlord. I met him.
Mm-hmm.
I asked him charity, but charity wasn't work. And in the meantime, I was looking and searching and stuff like that. Couldn't find nothing.
I don't know what to say.
I'm still living.
My mother passed away over like 22 or 23 years ago. I was 7 years old.
I was supposed to be there.
She fell sick and then she was in hospital, and then a man and a woman came and they said that they're my auntie and uncle. A few days when they were there, my mother, the hospital called, and then she passed away. Then those people took me in because I knew that those were my uncle and auntie, but it wasn't. I only found out along the way that it wasn't my mother's brother and sister.
So I don't know what Charity's brothers and sisters or uncles, aunties or nothing, stuff like that. It's only the two of us and our friends that was connected.
Yeah.
Really, I'm deep in my heart, I'm sorry. As long as I can connect with you now, because we must be close.
Then why didn't you look for me back in the days? You're only looking for me now when I needed you the most at that time. I had no one after my mother passed away, do you know? The things that I've been through growing up. The only people that took really good care of me is after matric, the family that took me in. Because you could have asked, could have even went to the school, but you didn't.
I didn't do it.
You didn't do nothing. Only now. Why? Why now?
Because I want to see my children. I'm to connect with them. I tried to connect with you, but address and stuff like that. And Facebook, afterwards, Facebook came up. So I asked my brothers and sisters, look at them as very young, and they tried to check on Facebook for you, but they couldn't find you. I know how that is possible.
When I was still at school, I didn't have a phone.
Yeah.
I only had a phone after I matriculated.
Okay. So I went to this Kumbulonkai, I asked them, they help me.
That is now recent.
Yes, now, recently. Yeah. But
I'm talking about back. I'm 31 years old now, do you know?
Yeah, I was just 31. Beautiful child. I'm sorry, Mika, really, I'm very, very sorry. I will try to make up for it.
How?
As long as we connect with each other, that's all I want, first of all.
I really don't know what to say.
No,
what you did was wrong, and
I accept that.
even if you were there and sent 100 rand to where I was living before, it would have made a huge difference in the way I was treated. But no, you couldn't do that.
What can I do to make it up?
I don't think anything can make up the lost time, can replace it as well.
I've got my secrets, or you have your secrets also, what I mean.
It's not about secrets, it's about the way I grew up with. Whilst you were alive, at least I know that I buried my mother. You were alive, but I didn't get any love from you or support. And it affects my life now that I'm grown up.
Yeah, I understand.
I don't even see myself sometimes as a human. I don't even love myself the way I should. Because I didn't get any love from my parents.
I'm sorry. And it's my fault. I know it's my fault. But I just ask you to forgive us. That's all what I ask. I know I'm in the fault. Since that time on. I don't want to go from here.
Yeah, it's the actions that are going to show that you are really sorry. For now, I guess we'll just communicate.
She must say thank you so much, man. Can I hold you? I'm sorry. Is your husband? Oh, okay, yeah. Are you married? Yeah. Good. He's a good person. I will say thank you. And I wasn't there for her, but at least you are here now. And it's your baby.
Yeah, my baby.
Okay. What's her name? She.
Ezra.
Hello. Israel.
Ezra.
Okay. Hello.
He's a boy.
It's a boy, okay.
He likes you.
Yeah, I can feel the blood. The blood is running.
Where are you coming from, sir?
Springbok. My name is Jacques.
Jacques,
yeah.
Okay. I am Jackie's husband.
Yeah, she told me.
I am Mr. Kamadu by name.
Okay, yeah.
I'm coming from Nigeria.
Okay.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, again.
But sir, if I may ask, what took so long to look for your child?
I don't know. I can't explain it, actually. I can't explain it. Because I was looking before, and afterwards it's just like, don't worry anymore. It's not actually don't worry, but I mean, it's not like that.
it's very difficult for her.
Of course, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, we've discussed this several times. She told me, and she has mixed feelings. She doesn't even know how to feel, whether she must be happy or angry or sad or cry about meeting you.
Yeah.
I really understand how she feels.
Yeah.
It's very, very inhumane for any man.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about women. For a man, we can have 20 children out there, but at least, how are you doing, my child? Did you go to school today? Did you have stationaries? How was school? How was Christmas?
Yeah.
How is your mother? Even if you're not with your mother anymore, at least how is your mother? She was there. She gave a child for you. But you never did that all these years.
Yeah.
I don't know where she will get the courage to forgive you. For me, it will be very difficult.
Yeah.
But since you are here, you're welcome. This is where your child stays.
Yeah.
And you're welcome
Anytime.
anytime.
Thank you so much for that. Yeah, thank you so much, friend. You said it.
You're welcome. I don't know how I'm feeling anyway. The feeling is quite mixed, if I must use that word. But over and above, I am very happy that my wife is meeting her father today. As a husband, it's strange if you're married and you don't know your father-in-law. I think today I will sleep very nicely that I've met my father-in-law.
Friend?
You're humble.
Yeah, I'm gonna go now.
Okay.
Finish here.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much.
This is your home now. You can come anytime to visit your child, and you have 2 grandchildren.
See, I miss out on everything.
See what I was saying?
Ja, nou voel ek baie bly, my hart is verlig. My verstand is boven my verstand geweest, maar ek het alles reg gekry. Ek hoop my kind kan haar moed nou vir die eerste keer weer in 'n lang tyd. En nou is hy 'n groot meisie getroud. Sy is gelukkig getroud. Ek is bly daarvoor. En my hart is bloei.
It's too early to say. But I think she must be feeling very happy. It's a dream come true. It's been bought for me and for her. We've been praying for this.
Ek is baie bly. Hulle het my aanvaar. Ek het begin 'n bietjie swaar gegaan. Maar so sê ek sien jy gevat en my te my gevat. Sê jy hy loop is na haar toe. Want nou gewoonlik as jy kan na iemand so dan voel jy die vrees of iets na maar het gevoel as anders bloed wat vloei deur ons.
My father-in-law is lucky to have second chance. Some people might not have the chance this man got today. So they must make use of the time they've got. They must not wait too long.
Sy sal tyd vat om te vergewe. Sy dra nie haat met hom en sy weet hoekom. En vir my is dit ook swaar, want ek weet ek het fout gemaak. En dit is begin van 'n nuwe lewe.
Kusezaba nobunzima ke kwakheni kwakhona olusapho nangona lumanyene. Kodwa siyathemba into yobana utata omkhulu uVan der Heever angathabatha eli thuba lesibini lokwazana nentombi yakhe kwaye bangaphinde baphulukane nonxibelelwano. Mhlawumbi nawe uyakuba nethamsanqa loqhagamshelana nesalamane sakho esilahlekileyo uba unositsalela kule nombolo yefax 086 511 7440. Ungasithumelela ne-email kukhumbulekaya@sabc.co.za okanye sikhangele kuWhatsApp ku-087 062 5738. Lifikile kwakhona ixesha loba sibukele ibali lethu elifutshane ngabantu abalahlekileyo. Kwaye kulena iveki sindwendwela ilali yaseOrlando East eSoweto apho sidibana noMsindisi Ntontela ocela simkhangelise utata wentombi yakhe. Unkosinathi papayi.
Igama lami nguNomsindisi Ntontela. Lo hlele xa kwami nguMazithi Ntontela mntanami. Ngibhalele kwaKhumbul'ekhaya. Ndicela bandifundise utatakhe. Utatakhe sasihlala eJoburg emafletini ngabo 2004. So sasithandana sobabini ndandisasanda ukufika nami eJoburg. Iflat yakhona yayiku Wonders noJivilius. Igama leflat kwakuyiGilove Chambers iduze neBackstage. So kuthe okuhamba kwexesha kwacaba siyaxabana mina naye. So ke ngoku wahamba kanjalo. Eqhubekeni kwempilo ndendabona into ukuthi sengipregnant. Mangithi ngibala inyanga ngiyabona into ukuthi hayi akusinguye lo muntu lona engihleli naye engithandana naye manje ongimisile. Oyena muntu ondimithisileyo nguye uNkosinathi, igama lakhe kwakunguNkosinathi Bhabhayi. Ndamzala umntwana wabakhona saqhubeka ndaqhubeka nempilo. Lo muntu lona ngangihlala naye ngamtshela mina ngathi hayi ngipregnant ulowa muntu loyana. So wathi hayi akunankinga masihlale. So ngabe sengihlalisana naye lo muntu lowo wamkhulisa kumntwana. Menzela yonke into wamkhulisa wangena isikolo wathini yonke into. So kuthenge ngokuya umntwana ekhula wacaba uyandihlupha ufuna utatakhe. Ndazama ukuhamba ndiye phayana sasihlala kwezandawo sasihlala kuzo nabantu endibaziyo sasihlala nabo ndibuzisa kubo ukuthi ndingamfumana phi okanye inamba zakhe okanye ntoni azange kube khona umuntu omaziyo.
Ndina 14 years ba kusonguye utata lo bendithi nguye utatam. Zange ngiphathe kakubi kakhulu. Ndiyaqonda ba okay kwenzekile kwakusalayo ndizofana nabanye abantwana ndide ndimfumane utatam. Into endingatsho ndithi noba akananto as long andiphe uthando aziba ndikhona nami njengomntana wakhe empilweni yakhe. Akukho kuningi endingakudinga kuye mangandinikeza uthando nje cha.
Nkosinathi Bhabhayi ndimi uNomsindisi nomntana wakho uMazithi. uMazithi uyakudinga njengotatakhe. Sicela uvele apho ukhona. Cela noba ngubani omaziyo apho akhona uNkosinathi Bhabhayi sasihlala naye eJoburg eGilov Chambers uDivilas noWandras eFletini. Azama ukuxhumana nabantu basekhumbule ekhaya kuba uyafunwa ngumntanakhe.
Tata apho khona ndisacela uvele uzokwazi ukuba khona empilweni yami undincedise ngako konke endikudingayo empilweni yami undiphe uthando undiphe konke endikudingayo. Ndicela uvele apho khona.
Ukuba unolwazi malunga nokwenzeka kubawo uNkosinathi Bhabhayi, sicela usithumelele uWhatsApp ku-087 062 5738. Ungalibali ke nokudwendwela iwebsite yethu kukhumbul'ekhaya.net.za ufake u-www ngaphambili. Siyafumaneka naphayana kuFacebook, uWhatsApp kunye naye uInstagram. Xa siqhubekeka nenkqubo yethu yanamhlanje ke mbukeli, singena kwileta yethu yale veki kwaye ifundeka ngolu hlobo. Dear Khumbula Ekhaya team, I hope this email finds you well. My name is Naledi Marlene Mbata, and I'm writing to you for your assistance in finding my biological father, Tebogo Phuku. Although I was in contact with him briefly in the past, we lost touch over the years. Unfortunately, I have never met him in person. Recently, my health has taken a turn for the worst. At just 19 years old, I have been diagnosed with kidney failure. As I navigate this challenging time, I am filled with a deep desire to connect with my father before it's too late. Now, meeting Tebogo Phuku has become my greatest wish. I yearn to learn more about him, our family, and our heritage. I am eager to establish a bond with him and to create everlasting memories. I would forever be grateful if your team could help me locate my father. Thank you for considering my request. I look forward to the possibility of reuniting with my father. Mhlawumbi ke mbukeli ungaba nalo ulwazi into bana uTebogo Phuku ufumaneka kanjani na onguyise kaNaledi Marlene Mbata. Uba kunjalo nceda usithumelele ifax ku-086 511 7440. Ungasithumelela ne-email khumbul'ekhaya@sabc.co.za okanye usithumelele iWhatsApp ku-087 062 5738. Kwesinye isiqendu sethu sangaphambili kwibali lethu elifutshane elithetha ngabantu abalahlekileyo, sadibana noNobuhle wakwaDlamini waseBurgersdal. Wayenomnqweno wokuphinda adibane nomama wakhe kunye nabantwana bakuwabo owaphulukana nabo esemncinci. Emva kokufumana ingxelo ngawo lo mba, sabuyela kuNobuhle, kodwa masiqale sihlaziye ingqondo zethu ngeli bali kwaye sibone into yobana lo mba uphela njani na.
Mina ngoNobuhle Dlamini, lo umntanami. Manje bengibhalele kwaKhumbula Ekhaya ngoba ngifuna ifamily yami. Ngibuya lele ngivele eNatal, bengikade ngingena isikole khona. Ngeza nobhuti wami beshade, ubethatha umfazi wangapha. Bethe mabebuya base bebuya nami ke bathi ngizongena isikole ngapha. Sahlala masihlala ubhuti wami walokhuza wagula. Waba ukuthi nje angisakhona ukuthi ngingabuyela emuva ngoba umuntu ebengisuke naye kuza ngapha. Wanesikhathi nobhuti wami esikhathi eshona lo mfazi lo behlala nobhuti wami azange akathathe isinyathelo ukuthi ayele ekhaya ayobazisa. Kwaba nje into ephelelayo.
Igama lami nguNeneza Dlamini. Ngifike la eJoburg ngoba ngabona usisi wami uNobuhle Dlamini evele kumabona kude kuKhumbula Ekhaya. Manje sengithi angifike-ke ngizombona. Usisi wami wahamba nobhuti wami omdala uSikhumbuzo Dlamini beza naye la eGoli. Emthathe njengomuntu ozomgadela ingane aphinde amfake esikoleni la eGoli. Ngonyaka ka-1976 mangaphazama. Isikhathi ahamba ngaso wayesemncane kakhulu. Shuthi nje kusukela lapho-ke nje asibange saphinde sihlangane. Kwasala kwakuba impela ngoba uma wazi wagula. Eguliswa yikona ukuthi ingane yakhe encane ngoba uNobuhle umagcini ekhaya uze emva kwami. Waguliswa yikona lo ukuthi ingane yakhe encane ayisabuye ekhaya yahamba nobhuti wayo. Kanti umuntu okuyena esasiphatheke kabi ngempela ngaye uyena uNobuhle ngoba wahamba emncane. Wayehleze ehamba ebuya ahamba abuya. Kuleyo game ukuze athembe ukuthi angahamba noNobuhle wayefike nomakoti wakhe. Bamthatha ehamba nomakoti wakhe ukuthi azogada ingane.
Uhambo lwethu nomama uNeneza lokufumana usisi wakhe alusibalude kakhulu ngoba sidibene naye apha eGoli abe esuka eThekwini. Siza kuthatha nje iyure nemizuzu engama-20 ukusuka apho besidibene khona naye eBurkersdale.
Isifiso sami kube ukuthi sihlangane naye ngoba vele nami ngangikade ngangizama ukuthi ngimfune sonke nje sangaba naye inhlanhla ukuthi simthole. Ekhuleni kwethu vele khona impilo yayingekho yinhle ngenkathi sebhulu ngoba ubaba wethu washona sebancane kakhulu. Uma waseza la eThekwini ezofuna amadoho ngesimasothi sokuyena osesele kusho ukuthi sasala thina ngemuva sonke. Konkonko Sanibona. Ninjani? Sikhona kunjani? Sikhona. Igama lami nguNeneza wakaDlamini.
Mina nginombule.
Yebo.
Uzala umuntu.
Wena Nobuhle. Ngane yakithi. Napsakhala.
Mama wami into emina engihleli kabuhlungu kakhulu. Engihleli kabuhlungu. Njengoba ngumbona ngenza imizamo ukuthi nginifune. Isisusa sento ukuthi umama avumele ubhuti ahambe nomama bekuyini?
Wayemvumele ngoba ubhuti wafika ehamba nomakoti wakhe. Waba nalelo themba lokuthi useshintshile ngoba uhamba nonkosikazi uphethe ingane encane. Wasethi ubhuti uyamcela ukuthi azomphathela ingane bese emngenisa nasesikoleni. Kusho ukuthi umama wavuma kanjalo ke ukuthi ayikulungile akahambe ngoba ethembe umakoti ukuthi ngoba sokhona umakoti umakoti ngeke aze amlahle. Kwaba yilelo ithemba lakhe ngoba sasazi vele ubhuti ukuthi wayenaka ukuhamba angabuyi. Abuye ngesinye isikhathi. Nakuloko wayesenesikhathi eside ahamba wabuye sebuya nomakoti. Sasesithemba ukuthi ngoba naku ufika nomakoti uzosikhombisa umakoti hayi kusho ukuthi use right.
So ngiyayizwa indaba the way wilanda ngakhona. So umbuzo wami ula futhi umakoti lo onimthembile lo uze kangaki le ekhaya?
Wayeqala ukuza.
Ebeqala ukuza.
Wayeqala ukuza.
Ngithembe umuntu orongo.
Ukuthi mina ngangisemncane. Ngangisemncane nami njengoba nje afya naye semncane. Nami ngangisemncane ngangena say. Umuntu wayenesay kwaku uma kuphela. Kwawuyena othemba indodana yakhe ukuthi ayihambise nendodakazi yakhe.
Okusho ukuthi lo makoti lo uzeke yiwani kwaba kuphelile and then babuya nomama. Nithembe umuntu orongo mama kangukuthi ngalomzuzu lo ngisafuna nelili thuna lela ngilazi naye kuthi umama asumuntu othanda ukukhuluma. Into yakhe ngilandelisela manje ngakuthi ukhanti athi uvula isifuba ngakuthi ubambekile. Hayi kancane kakhulu futhi. Khona manje ngibona ngathi beyisemhleli kakhulu. Wangitshela enyangeni ezidlulile ukuthi nomlelo wazi ubhuti mina ngimthole seke bemkhiphile sesemangcwabeni. Namanje naye akalazi ithuna la kabhuti wakhe ukuthi likuphi. Ngiye kaningi le. But angizange ngathola nix. And uyayibona lento le noma ikhipha akayikhiphi ngobuntu. Uyayibona? So lo muntu lo ya into azenzile zibhlungu. Namanje nje ebesanda kushonela umntwana kubeni ukuthi ebegula. Akahlali kuthi. Seduze awusebenzisi even nelocal. Uhluleke ukuza la mhlambe lo mntana lo ubambeke like boma 2 months 3 months. Uzofika lana ngefone athi umntwana sekeshonile. Mina ngabuza ukuthi umntana ushona makwenze njani? Wathi umntana ebegula. Ngithi umuntu egulayo mina nizongazisa mina umuntu sekeshonile. Ithini into yenu kahle kahle? Ithini into yenu kahle kahle? Ngakuthi nisho nina ngomlomo wenu nithi umntana ebegula ayikuthi accident or into ezinjalo. So ngathi mina kubo igama engilikhipile ngathi njoba niqalile lento ngicela niyiqedela. Makukhonakala nithatha ichopper nimchophe. Nimuhle. Ngakuthi into ebanyenze zona zimpi. Zimbi angithoni nokuqola. But umama mangimtshela ke ukuthi manje indaba seyihamba so manje wena uthini? Athi nompulelo mntanami ngicela ungivumele ngiye ngale. At least ngibone umntana wakabhuti lalele khona. Ngathi mawusho njalo ke ithi ngingakuvale but mina angeke ngithathi inyawo zami ngizibekele. Ibhlungu kakhulu. Ibhlungu kakhulu.
Ukufika kwakho lana ngempela impilo yakho ibe njani njengoba ngiyayimuza undodakazi uthi into enziwa ubhuti wakho ibhlungu akafisi lutho. Kwenzekani ngenkathi ufika la?
Hayi ufika kwami ubhuti wayengiphethe kahle. Lo ngihleli kahle. Ngibona ilento le isikhathi silokusama. Ngimbuza ukuthi kanti uzobuyisela ekhaya. But look at it, also Bissell, Copa Pizzo, I sell, but a canuncle, the same title for 20 seconds, was no culum. I fix Italian, what till put up. I should bosom first work it can do and go book why you like it say, I tell Agasaya, Quabogutic Pelena. As I can't get a score.
As I'm getting a school in.
Asangangena isikole. Wathi wangadisa nomntana lo wakhe.
Ngiyakuzwa futhi nakumina kubhlungu. Ngoba esikhathini esiningi mina bengeke ngize ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ubhuti wathi mengabe efika naye unobuhle la mhlambe amdayisa. Ngoba phela sasibhalwa share address. Sabhala ngoba ama cellphone ayingabikho.
Exactly.
Sabhala engasiphenduli. So ke zabhlunga inhliziyo zethu. Uyabona lento eyenzwa ubhuti nathi iyasihlukumeza. iyasihlukumeza. Yayivela isihlukumeza nje kubeni sibona isikhathi sesambili engasabuyi nobuhle, engasambuyisi. Sahlukumeze kanje kuthiwa lapho sonke ngoba bonke nalaba asebashona bashone behlukumezekile. Behlukumezekile.
So umama wakamama wami yena usasekhona emhlabeni?
Akasekho. Futhi into yamthatha iyona indaba nobuhle. Wazithola umuntu omfailile unobuhle. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi into eyenza ukuthi ashone ile ngoba ushone ngo1994.
1994.
Benosisi bafikile. Usisi bafikile washona ngoJanuary 4 ngo1994. Kwathi uma washona ngoJuly 4 ngawo1994. Bobabili babe besonke besibele sikhalile ngonobuhle. Ubutkholo naye akasekho. Ubutkholo ushone ngo2006 ngoNovember. Uyabona ngase ngisala nje ngingedwa angithi amkhumbula ubhuti Mbofu ihalf brother yethu uyena okhona ke ebese ngazi ukuthi nje sengisele naye sengiyitshena nje ukuthi sokuyithi naso babili ngoba bengibele ngikhale njalo ukuthi khona izingane zakhe zona azisasifuna ingane mengabe zikhona ngoba siyamdinga asazi ukuthi somtholaphi.
But ke uNkulunkulu umkhulu mama, mina ngiyalibonga leli thuba leli isibusise esikhulu lesi kimi ngakuthi bengimani ngibhlungu kakhulu. Umndeni wakubo baba ngiyawazi, but mangiza ngasemndenini wakubo mama
awazi.
Ngiyayibona lento leyo, so kimi kubhlungu, and then ngumuntu othandazayo mangihamba nami, and then bangibuna ngale futhi ukuthi iyala umama akho azalelwe khona ukuthi into zakho zikhona ukulunga.
Kubhlungu kakhulu, kubhlungu kumina ukuthi nginithole nihlala kulesimo ngoba thina eyethu impilo ingcono. Manje uma ngabe nginithola nihleli kulesimo esikanje kubhlungu kuyezwela kangaka ngoba besifisa ukuthi sengathi singahamba naye ayobona ekhaya la sihlala khona. Kungeve ukuthi sesiyamthatha umengabe kodwa phela yena esefuna ukuyohlala ekhaya nane namukelekile umuzi mkhulu. Bese kufisa lokho.
Okay. Akezwakala.
Cela nje nisixolele.
Okay.
Xola nobuhle.
Ngixolile mangibona.
Ungixolele. Uyazi ukuthi ekhuleni kwethu imini engangifana noma wakho uyazi. Manje mengabe impilo zethu ziqala ukusimama unobuhle kasekho.
Uyayibona lento ibhlungu. Ungathi manje nimvalela ngaphandle njalo. But into engicelayo iyo yona le umama ukuthi mina andifuni kuphinde ngiyele ngakuthi ngiye ngizithobe kakhulu. Ukuzithoba kakhulu, but ukuzithobeni kwami azange kwaba nimpumelela, so angeke ngisamani ngithi ukuya futhi. So ngizocela nina at least nomama manithola isikhathi niye ngale ukuthi anikhombe lelincwaba lo ubhudi la lele khona.
Nami bokuyisifiso sami leso ukuthi sengathi ngahamba sengibabonile abantwana bakhe. Ngibone nalelele khona ke yena ubhudi uthulele kuphi. Hayi siyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga. Hey, yazi namhlanje ngikhululekile yo.
Ukhululekile.
Wasuka umthwalo emahlombe. Siyabonga khumbula ekhaya. Siyabonga. Umthwalo weminyaka ngeminyaka 49 years.
Yo, gcina nje
49 years
lesikhathi.
Ngokwami bengifisa ukuthi ayophila nathi. Ke simnikeze lo liyathando angazange aze alithole. Siyakufisa lo. Ngoba uthanda akaze alithole ngendlela ukuthi wahambise emncane. Usho ukuthi nje uthanda akaze alithole. Nangu uma wakho. Nangu bafikile.
Buhle wena kube ukhombayo la.
Yo nami ngizizwa umthwalo ulokhu uzusukile emahlombe yami, ngijabule kakhulu. Ngijabulile futhi ngangathembi ukuthi ngizoze ngibabona. bese sengizitshele nje ukuthi hayi ngizophelela khona. Hayi kusho ukuthi impilo yami izoqhubekela phambili nomntanami izinto zimkanye. Ukuthi nabo bazile ukuze le ngivela khona bazazi ihlobo zami.
Ke ikutlwa ke itumetse thata. Ke itumetse thata. Ke a leboga le nna ka tsatsi le ke thusagetse because of ntwe ne ntse ntshosa e ntse ntshwenya all along ntwe ne ntse ke khirile so ke mulogile ka se sebaka so ke a leboga ke lebogile thata.
Siyathemba ukuba uNobuhle uzawuthuthuzeleka emoyeni wakhe njengokuba ekwazile ukufumana udade wakhe nangona unina nabanye abantwana bakokwabo bengasekho emhlabeni. Yanga bangasebenzisana ekwakheni ubomi obutsha nobungcono. Ndicela ungayindawo ke mbukeli ngoba xa sibuya sizophathela imifanekiso yabantu abalahlekileyo kulena iveki. Kulena iveki kwimifanekiso yabantu abalahlekileyo sinosiyanda Xayimpi okhangela umntakwabo lo usesithombeni. Ufundile Xayimpi oneminyaka engama-37 uphume ekhaya engatshongo nokuba uyaphi. uWendy Manganya ukhangela utata wakhe uMamen Valgis lo usefotweni. Wayengutishala kwisikolo samabanga aphakamileyo Impheko eMthatha. uNtomzonke Nokuthula Sithole waseStenga ukhangela uyise uMusa weNkosi Mdlangathi wakwamaphumulo onguye lo usefotweni. Wamgqibela kudala. uNthuse Nhlasa ukhangela uncedo lokukhangela utata wakhe uMishek Katiso Hlasa wasematatiyela onguye lo nimbona apha kumabona kude. Kuthiwa waduka ngonyaka ka-2004 ehlala ePinetown. uLindelo waDondolo waseMonti ukhangela utata wabo uVuyo Ursula Dondolo onguye lo usefotweni. Kuthiwa walahleka ngo-2023. Emva koko uMartha Yethi Nkosi ucela ukhangeliswa udade wabo onguye lo usefotweni uAnna Ndlaleni Nkosi owagqityelwa ukubonwa ngonyaka ka-1974. uMachaza Lukhozi ucela ukhangeliswa ubhuti wakhe uThuso Lukhozi wasematatiyela onguye lo usefotweni. Walahleka ngonyaka ka-1997 esendleleni eya eNtshona Koloni eyokufuna umsebenzi. Usapho lakwaGwala eHammersdale lukhangela unyana uSifundo Christopher Gwala onguye usefotweni. Walahleka ngo-2003. Kwaye uSaki Lepule ucela umzala wakhe osemfanekisweni uLindelani Masilela owayegqityelwe ukubonwa eOrange Farm ngo-2017. Emva koko uJoyce Semakaleng Dampe ucela utata wakhe osemfanekisweni uSilas Dibebe owayesebenza eWestern Deep Mine eCarltonville ngeminyaka yo-1990. uDudu Shabangu waseMpumalanga ucela ukukhangeliswa udade wabo lo usefotweni uAlpina Shabangu owalishiya ekhaya ngo-1990. Wayesoloko ebonwa eDorhis. uSiviwe Ngotyana waseTsomo ucela ukufunelwa udade wabo osemfanekisweni uNosiselo Ngotyana owalahleka ngo-2018 esendleleni eya eDaveyton. Namhlanje ke sivala ngoRhatlisi Elizabeth Nokwakha Nkosi wasematatiyele. Yena ucela uba afumaneke unyana wakhe uSibusiso Blessing lo kumfanekiso. Ingathi useRhawutini uyoziphilisa.
Haketsana grandwe ikhilo.
Ene yona ya ntshwara pila total.
Ene ke lantino le bona ke sal.
Ke re bjalo.
Selo sa se fele. No problem, no ntwa no eng. Ska ba ri antena ke irile.
Xa sivala ke inkqubo yethu namhlanje masikhumbule ukuba imicelimngeni iyawuhlala ikhona kwaye enyanisweni yiyo esinika amandla. Masiphinde sidibane ngoLwesithathu ozayo ngentsimbi yethoba apha kuKhumbula Ekhaya. Kwaye xa sinibhabhayisa sinikhumbuza incutshe yemozulu yalapho ke SABC 1 eyashiyayo sithi kumhlophe.
Abazali bakalela umntwana wabo asake ithemba uthando nokuzwana ngokuphilisa